Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Tiguan key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is commonly available, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have good lighting to clearly see the small components. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side or back of your fob and press it. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.